Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer QuickBooks Desktop to online. First, ensure your QuickBooks Desktop file is fully updated to the latest version. It's crucial to create a complete backup of your company file to safeguard your data. Also, run a data utility check to fix any potential issues. Finally, confirm your file size is under 750 megabytes for a smooth migration process. Now, let's begin the transfer. Open your QuickBooks Desktop company file as an administrator. Navigate to the company menu and choose Export Company File to QuickBooks Online. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure to select the correct QuickBooks Online company where you want your data to be imported. Once the transfer is complete, it's essential to review your data. Log into your QuickBooks Online account and carefully verify the accuracy of all imported information. Compare key financial reports, such as the balance sheet and profit and loss statements, to ensure consistency. Also, confirm that all your customer, vendor, and item lists have transferred correctly. After verifying your data, there are a few final steps. Set up new users and assign their permissions within QuickBooks Online. Connect your bank and credit card accounts to enable automatic transaction downloads, saving you time. Review and adjust any recurring transactions or custom reports. Finally, explore the many training resources available to help you fully utilize QuickBooks Online's features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.